Today I'm going to talk about creative credit and copyright. Did you know that copyright is a law created to protect the people who created the work? The copyright law allows the owner of the work to be the only person that can make copies of the work, give copies of the work, or perform and display the work to others. The fair use, however, does make it a little bit more lenient. The fair use allows limited copies for educational use. This can include teaching, news reporting, commenting, and research work. Copyright laws allow the work to stay protected until 70 years after the death of the author or artist. Creative Commons license allows the creator to decide which copyright laws they would like to keep protected of their work and which they would like to allow others to be able to use. Also, if the work is public domain, then you do not have to ask for permission. That is, any information before 1923 and anything created by the U.S. government is considered public domain. Some other things no longer covered by copyright are ideas or facts because facts are not creative. It is important to know as a student that you have more resources available to you because of fair use. However, that only falls under education-related reasons. Therefore, if you make a video using information covered under copyright use, but then you want to post it for personal use, you would have to contact the owner first and get permission. Clearly, copyright is an important topic that should not be overlooked by students because it is going to be an important thing to know for the rest of your life.